Hi everyone, I know it's been a minute, but I'm back. I'm going to be doing another haul right quick, and I'm not going to talk a lot through this one just because sometimes it's okay to be silent. So, yeah, I'm just doing another haul. A lot of this stuff is from Amazon, AliExpress. As usual, all the links will be in the description box below. Yeah, and I'm gonna try to work on my uploading again because a lot of stuff's been going on. So I've been busy. Like, I had my wisdom teeth removed, so I was not up for all the chit-chatting and editing videos. So I put that on pause for a minute. I started a new job. I quit that job. It was just it was Amazon. Like, Amazon it's okay if you're like up for that kind of thing, but baby, I'm not that pressed for the extra money, so I quit that because I still kept my full-time job. Like, both of them were full-time, and then like I do my friends' nails whenever I have free time. So like doing my friends' nails, working my regular job, and then working at Amazon was too much, so I quit. But yeah. So yeah, that's like my mini life update right quick. But yeah, I'm back to uploading somewhat frequently because I don't really have a schedule. Like, I be trying to keep on a schedule, but it's so hard with like everything going on. But yeah, that's my update. I'm gonna let you guys get back to the haul. I bought another lamp, y'all, and I know I said I didn't want a white one, but let me explain. I got this one because, like, for everything that I was looking for, like the amount of power I needed, and it's a two-hander, so like I just decided to get this one. We'll see how it goes. If it gets dirty, it gets dirty. I'll buy another one, but right now it's doing pretty good. It's not getting dirty like I thought it would. I guess because like most of the time I don't do gel polish. Like, a lot of my girls don't want gel polish. They want acrylic color and they want the encapsulations and stuff, so I really just use it for like gel top coat, that's clear anyway. But yeah, I'm gonna let you guys get into it. I'll pop in if I need to, but I probably won't. I'm probably not going to, just because I'm gonna be quiet today. We're more quiet, silent. But happy spooky season to everybody, and I'm ready for my next video. I'm super excited, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Well, y'all will hear me. I won't see y'all, but you know what I mean. So, as I previously stated in a video before, I am going to be doing a giveaway. Details will be in the top of the description box. So, all you have to do to enter is drop your Instagram, your email, or your Facebook name in the comment section, and also let me know if you do nails, you don't do nails, or you're thinking about doing nails but you just haven't started up anything. So, as I said, all the details and the explanation will be in the description box, so you can check it out. So check that out and go ahead and enter, honey. Go ahead and enter. So I'm gonna let y'all go ahead and get through the rest of the video, and I will talk to y'all later.
slow motion crew, and we up in our growlings when people change, but not us. And we just chillin', kicking it, kissed by the sun. Could be soaked to the skin in the mall soon. I know she got the good vibes when seasons change, but we're the same. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding. Even if my jokes sound funny, my tongue tied up on it. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding. 'Cause you got me holding. Even if my jokes sound funny, my tongue tied up on it. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding. 'Cause you got me holding. 'Cause you got me holding, holding. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding. Even if my jokes sound funny, my tongue tied up on it. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding me up. Play me like a bass guitar, simmer down and mash me up. Tripping like I'm Jimmy at Woodstock. Me up, drum me round in your red Ford, shivers down my spinal cord. Oh, 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 'cause you got me holding, holding.
Okay, so before we end this video, I do want to pop in right quick and give you guys my 2 cents on these 2 pens. One is from Daily Charm and one is from AliExpress. Obviously, you know the one on AliExpress is cheaper. So, you know, I will have the links for both of them in the description box. You can make your choice, go whichever route you choose to, boo. You know, whichever route you choose. Fine with me. I'm just here to give y'all my little nickels, dimes, and pennies on these products, you know. But these are basically both the same. Like, the only thing that's different is the AliExpress brush is a little bit thicker than the Daily Charm one, and it does not come with a little metal pin to stick into the top if it gets, you know, gummed up with something. But other than that, they're both the same. This product can be used like when you're using Swarovskis or whatever type of crystals you're using, gems, anything you want to seal up around, go in there with that and it helps. But if you made it this far, I do want to say thank you, loves, for watching, and I will holla at y'all in my next video.